In front of me is Motorola One Action, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate emoji suggestions on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, locate and open System, and click on Languages and Input. Here you should click on Virtual Keyboard and select Gboard. And now smoothly enter text correction, scroll down a bit, and here you will notice Show Emoji Suggestions. So if you want to have them on, leave it this way, and if you want to deactivate it, just unmark the switcher. But I would like to activate it, and once the indicator is active, you will have the emoji suggested while writing some message. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.